All right, so to put the seat, first you would take it out of the plastic. Place the seat into the sort of the wheel well where the backrest would be. The lower straps go back, so you want to just organize your straps. The upper on the sort of the wings would go forward, okay? So the back ones, I always do these first. You clip to those clips there, one clip there, two clip there. My first step, you would tighten this bottom. Make sure you guys can hear this, because it can be a little bit interesting how to put it on. You want this sort of back into that bottom side, and you want to snug it up, okay? Same with the other side, that bottom strap first. Then we're going to do the top. Sort of like so, just get them a little bit upright. You sort of want to upright just like that. Then the next step is to drive it forward. So the upper wings, they go into these two clips on either side. Sometimes these can be a little bit tough to get your fingers under, especially when you have no nails like me. But you can usually get an edge on it. And then just clip it on. Other side, clip it on. Okay, so when you have that, then you pull sort of evenly both the top and the bottom. Sometimes you gotta pull back a bit. This side. And you do want a little bit of a forward lean when you're setting this up, and the reason is when you put weight into this, it will push it back. So you sort of want it nice and snug like this, and then when the person sits in it, it will pull it back with the body weight, okay? Perfect, and then you're set up. Okay, if you want to tuck, there's usually a lot of extra strap because they are sort of a universal seat. You can just sort of tuck it behind the seat as best you can. Sort of bring it in, bring it around to make it look pretty.